Hello. I am not here this afternoon. So today you guys are going to do your finals review 2 packet. We are going to make it to number something. Number 38 today. Okay, so we're going to go 1 through 38. Okay, make sure you do either half, make sure your name's on your paper. I'm not doing any notes, I'm just simply writing down the work. Okay, so we're going to start off with number 1. We go from smallest to biggest, so we're going to cover the smallest, and so I have left QR. The next biggest is 35, so if I cover that up, that gives me SQ. And the next biggest is 115, so if I cover that up, I got SR. Okay, now if you do RQ instead of QR or SR instead of SRS, something like that, okay, it doesn't matter as long as they go in that order. Okay, number 3, we're going to say greater than 6, greater than 3, greater than 10. Okay, well for the 6, I'm going to have 3 plus 10. For the 3, I got 6 plus 10. And for the 10, I got 6 plus 3. Okay, well 10 plus 3 is going to be 13. And that is bigger than 6, so that checks out. 6 plus 10 is 16, and that's bigger than 3, so that checks out. And 6 plus 3 is 9, and that is bigger than 10, and that one, or 9 is not bigger than 10, so that one does not work, so my answer is going to be no. Okay, 5, we're going to draw all 3 of these, so we got greater than 6, greater than 9, greater than X. Okay, and I realize I'm going fast, so if you need to, stop the video. Okay, stop it. Okay, so this is going to be 9 plus X. This one's going to be 6 plus X. This one's going to be 6 plus 9. Okay, for all of these, we're going to solve for X. So we're going to say minus 9, minus 9. So it's going to give me X and a negative 3. This one I'm going to say minus 6, minus 6. It's going to be X and a positive 3. Okay, and this last one I got is going to give me a 15. Okay, now, if you recall, we do not use negatives, so this one is going to be a no-no. These two is going to be my answer, okay, from 3 to 15. Okay, number 7, we're looking for MN. So it's got to go in that same like sideways direction. And it's either going to be bigger or smaller. Okay, so this one is going to be GE. GE. Or you can say EG. That's fine too. Okay, number 9, TV. That's our bigger one. So TV is our bigger one. So if this is 7, then you're going to times by 2, which is going to give you 14. So TV is going to be 14. Okay, 11 says solve for X. These ones we say 2 times the small equals the big. So 2 times my small, which is 27 plus 2X, equals my big, 2X plus 32. Okay, we're going to go and distribute. So I'm going to get 2 times 27 is 54. 2 times 2 is 4X. On this side, nothing has changed. Okay, we're going to move our letters to the left and the numbers to the right. So we're going to say minus 2X, minus 2X. And then a minus 54, minus 54. Okay, so 4 minus 2 is going to be 2X. 32 minus 54 is going to be a negative 22. Okay, and then I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides. And that's going to give me an X equals negative 11. Okay, 13. Again, you're going to do 2 times the small, which is X plus 3. equals the big, which is x plus 4. Okay, so 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, and the other side, we have not changed anything. We're gonna move our letters to the left and the numbers to the right. So we're gonna say minus x, and a minus 6, and a minus 6. Okay, so 2x minus x is gonna be 1x. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. Okay, minus 1, so I'm gonna get x equals negative 2. And this says solve for DC, so we have to plug this back in. So DC is x minus 3. So you're gonna put a negative 2 here, minus 3, and I did something wrong. Oh, right here. You guys are gonna kill me. Right here should be a minus 3. So that's gonna be a plus 6, plus 6. It's gonna make this a 10. So this is gonna be a 10. So this is gonna be a 10. So this is gonna be a 7. My bad. My bad. Okay, 15, we're gonna say n minus 2 times 180. So it's gonna be 19 minus 2 times 180. So we get 30, 60. On this one, you need to count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this would be 12 minus 2 times 180. It's going to be 1,800. Okay, 19. Look at those. Are they on the same side or opposite corners? Okay, well, they're on the same side, so you're going to say 180 minus 100, which is 80. Okay, 21. You're going to say 180 minus 108 minus 31. It's going to be 41. Okay, 23. Those are on the same side, so that means you're going to add together and say equals 180. So we get 13x plus 4 plus 137 equals 180. Okay, we can combine our like terms. So this is going to give me 13x plus 141 equals 180. Okay, and then we're going to say minus 141 on both sides. So I get 13x equals 39. And then we're going to divide by 13. That's going to give me x equals 3. Okay, this says solve for x, so we do not need to continue to go. Okay, 25, those are on opposite corners, so they're going to be equal. So we got 3x plus 14 equals 5x minus 10. Okay, we're going to move our letters to the left and the numbers to the right. So we're going to say minus 5x, minus 5x, minus 14, minus 14. Okay, 3x minus 5x is negative 2x. And then on here, I'm going to get a negative 24. Okay, we're going to move our letters to the left and the numbers to the right. Or no, I already did that. So you're going to divide by 2, negative 2. Sorry, I was like looking at the other page. Okay, so you get x equals 12. Okay, so from here, we do need to find e. However, e is blank. So if you remember from yesterday, I said, if you find 1, you can find any other one. So we're just gonna pick one to plug it in, and so I'm gonna use D. Well, D is 5x minus 10. Instead of the x, I'm gonna put a 12. Okay, so it's gonna be 5 times 12 minus 10 is gonna be 50. Okay, well, if this one is 50, what other one is 50? Okay, well, that means that this one is 50. Okay, well, how do I find the other side? If they're on the same side, we say 180 minus 50, and that's gonna be 130. So this one is also 130. We got 6 left. Okay, 27, on opposite sides on the outside are equal, so if this is 13.8, this one is also 13.8. Okay, they're equal. Okay, so for this one, I'm gonna say x plus 1 equals 13, okay, because they're equal, opposite sides are equal. We're gonna say minus 1 from both sides, and that's gonna give me a 12. Okay, it says solve for x, and we did just that, so that one is done. Okay, 31. Again, opposite sides are equal, so we're gonna set these equal to each other. So I got 2x minus 1 equals x plus 7. Hold on just a second. Oh. Excuse. Sorry, my phone was ringing. Okay, so we're gonna move our letters to the left and the numbers to the right. Okay, so I'm gonna get 1x equals 8. And then I'm gonna divide by 1. So I get x equals 8. Okay, now this one says find xw. So xw is x plus 7. And my x is really 8. So it's gonna be 8 plus 7, which is 15. We got 3 left. Okay, 33, you just have to look at them. Are they the same? Are those two angles the same or are they different? Okay, is Q and S the same or different? Okay, well, they're different, so you're gonna say 180 minus 76, which is 104. The same is equal, different is either adding to be 180, or in this case, you can like cheat and subtract. Okay, so if we're looking at 35, are those the same or different? Okay, those are the same, so that means that they're equal. Okay, so you're gonna say 70x plus 2 equals 72. Okay, and so we're gonna solve, we're gonna say minus 2, so I get 70x equals 70. And then I'm gonna divide by 70. So I'm gonna get x equals 1. Okay, last one, 37. Are those the same or different? This one's kind of hard to tell, but they are different. Okay, so we're gonna add them to be 180. Okay, so we got 11x minus 26 plus 6x plus 19 equals 180. Okay, so we can combine the 11 and 6 to give you a 17x, and a negative 26 and a 19 is gonna give you 1927, negative 7. Okay, and then we're gonna say equals 180. So I'm gonna add 7 on both sides. So I'm gonna get 17x equals 187. And then I'm gonna divide by 17. Okay, so I'm gonna get x equals 11. And this is not a decimal. I know some of you guys are goofy. I'm like, where'd you get a decimal? Okay, this says to find V. Okay, well my V is 6x plus 19. So it's going to be 6 times 11 plus 19, which is something. 85. Okay, so that's 85. Okay, 1 through 38, you guys are going to do, so I've already done half. So that's 19 problems you need to do on your own with a partner, whatever. Okay, make sure you put your name on it, put it in the box so you don't lose it. We will finish this tomorrow, and have a good day.